What is film? It's a storyteller, a visual enhancer, a detail explainer. Film is a canvas for your imagination, to put ideas in motion and spark emotion. The capture of breathtaking views, producing dramatic visuals. A fusion of creativity and knowledge, depicting immersive experiences. We are experts in our craft. From concept to screen, we create films that are atmospheric, captivating, and inspirational. With a passion for storytelling, we transform ideas into unforgettable cinematic moments. Imagination knows no limits, and neither do we. Let's create something extraordinary together. MoveMedia, creating the beautiful.